Hi class, welcome to English 100, Critical Reading and Composition. My name is Frances Pistoresi and I will be your instructor for this class. Think of me as your guide as we work on reading, writing, and critical thinking skills that are essential for academic and life success. When teaching this class, I often think about author Ta-Nehisi Coates' explanation that writing is an act of courage. While there are people out there that love to write, there are also those that find the process stressful and unpleasant. I want to assure you that if you do not skip to the computer gleefully to complete an assignment, you're not alone, and it certainly does not mean that you cannot do a great job. Moreover, if you have not had success in English classes in the past, it doesn't mean that you can't be a fantastic writer now. Remember Henry Ford's famous quote, whether you think you can or think you can't, you're right, as you work intentionally to become a better writer. Please make use of all the tools and resources University of Phoenix has to offer, and do not hesitate to contact me with any questions or concerns. I look forward to working with you.